Forgotten username recovery failed on SeedLegals Fix. If your attempt to recover your SeedLegals username has failed, don't worry, this problem is common and easy to solve once you understand what's going on. Most people think their username has been lost or deleted, but the surprising truth is that SeedLegals don't actually use usernames anymore. Like many modern legal tech platforms, SeedLegals now relies entirely on email-based authentication. That's why the forgot username link either fails or doesn't exist for most accounts. Here's the quick fix. Step 1. Go to the SeedLegals login page and try signing in directly with your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for any past messages from SeedLegals. Account creation or document notifications will show the email address tied to your profile. Step 2. If you can't remember your password either, click on Forgot Password and enter that same email. If your account exists, you'll receive a reset link. That's your confirmation that your account is still active. Step 3. If none of these options work, contact SeedLegals support directly. Provide your full name, registered email if known, and ideally, the name of a company or document associated with your account. Their support team can quickly verify your identity and restore access. Most people get stuck because they keep trying to recall or recover a username that no longer applies. The platform simply replaced that system with email-based logins for better security and simplicity. So don't stress about a missing username. Your account hasn't vanished. Focus on verifying your email. Use the password reset link if needed, or contact support for manual help. Within a short time, you'll have full access to your SeedLegals account again and can continue managing your legal documents and deals without interruption.